I'll show you. They're looking pretty tiny, but that's alright, because we're here to have some fun. Oh, I gotta show. We gotta show the signs. We got signs. Those are the signs that are up here. That's where at the New York State Senate. This man is an amazing gentleman. We were out this time. We were hanging out all day. It's my website. Yes. We're just here having some fun. But this is what it is, going down to the Senate. It's about 10 o'clock, but we're going to get this thing passed. We're going to have some fun.